Hello everyone, let us solve this problem quickly. Solution. Okay, so equation 1 is y squared plus open bracket y squared minus x squared close bracket equal to minus 3. This is equation 1. And then we have equation 2 to be y minus x equal to 2. Now from this equation 2, I can simply say that y is equal to 2 plus x. And then I can put this value of y into equation 2. So I will have 2 plus x squared, because this is equation 1. Rather, I can put this value of y into equation 1, which is y squared plus y squared minus x squared in bracket equal to minus 3. So here now, I will have plus in this bracket, I will have 2 plus x squared, then minus the x will still appear, that is x squared, then equal to minus 3. From here, I can now apply difference of 2 squared for what we have here in the bracket. I can apply difference of 2 squared, or better still, I can even open the bracket, right? I can open the bracket. Let me open this bracket first. So this will be 2 plus x into bracket 2 plus x. This is how to open the bracket, plus going over to this, we are going to have this. We have, for this, we will have 2 plus x. I want to use difference of 2 square for this. 2 plus x, okay, minus x, then close this bracket. Then the next bracket, I will have 2 plus x, then plus x. This is difference of 2 squared, then equal to negative 3. That is equal to negative 3. And then from here, I can open this bracket now. 2 times 2 will give us 4. 2 times x will give us plus 2x. X times 2 will give us plus 2x. And then x times x will give us x squared, right? Then plus, going over to this now, I can simply work on what we have in this fraction, in this bracket. So it will just be 2 in this bracket. I'll have 2 in this bracket because x minus x is gone. Then in this bracket, I will have 2 plus x is 2x in that bracket, and everything is equal to negative 3. Everything is equal to negative 3. So that's from here, I can now have 4 plus 4x plus x squared. Then plus here, I will have 2 times 2 to give me 4. Then 2 times 2x to give me plus 4x. This is equal to negative 3. And then from here, I can now arrange this properly, picking x squared first. So I'll pick x squared. Then 4x plus 4x will be picked, and that will give me 8x. That will give me 8x. And then I will have 4 plus 4 to give me 8, right? And everything here is equal to negative 3. Everything is equal to negative 3. So that's from here, we can now take another step and say x squared plus 8x plus 8 plus 3 is equal to 0. We are trying to arrive at our quadratic equation now. Then we have x squared plus 8x plus 11 is equal to 0. Okay, now how do we solve this quadratic equation? We can solve this using the formula method, where we have x to be equal to minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, we have that our a, that's the coefficient of x squared, is equal to 1. Our b is equal to 8, and then c is equal to 11. C is equal to 11. So let's substitute into the equation. We have that x will be equal to minus b is 8, so we'll have minus 8, then positive or negative. B squared will now be 8 squared, and that will give us 64, then minus 4 multiplied by a is 1, so I'll have 1 in this place. Then c is 11, so I'll multiply by 11, and everything will be equal to 2 times 1. I jumped a step there. How did I get 64? It is 8 times 8, that is 8 squared, 64. Now x will be equal to, we have minus 8, positive or negative, 64 minus 4 times 1 times 11 will give us 44. And then this is still over 2. This is still over 2. So that from here, I can now say that x is equal to minus 8, positive or negative. 64 minus 44 will give us 20. And then this is over 2. So from here, we can just get our two values of x. We now know that x will be equal to minus 8 plus root 20 over 2, or on this side, I'll have minus 8 minus root 20 over 2. So let's get the two values. Let's get the two values for x in this. Okay, so this means that the value of x is approximately minus 1.8 or minus 6.2. But remember, we still have y to find. Let's solve it here. From equation 2, we know that y minus x is equal to 2, right? And this means that y is equal to 2 plus x. So let's take our step now. So y is equal to, the two values of x are minus 1.8. We have minus 1.8 and minus 6.2. So let's have that minus 1.8 first. We have 2, then it will be minus 1.8. And this means that one of the values of y also is equal to 0.2. Okay, so y is equal to 0.2, and then the second value of y will be equal to 2, then minus the second value of y of x is minus 6.2, right? So here I will now have y equal to 2 minus 6.2. So we'll get the value for this. The value of y now will be equal to minus 4.2. Okay, so this is the end. We can now see that x is equal to minus 1.8. Okay, and then x is also equal to minus 6.2, and then y is equal to 0.2, and then y is also equal to minus 4.2. So these are the values of x and y. Thank you for watching. God bless.